Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up an eBay international shipping. Want to reach more buyers worldwide and grow your eBay business? In this video, I'll show you how to set up international shipping on eBay using their global shipping program and manual shipping options. So let's get started. The first step is to go to the Sellers Hub. Now before you do that, go to ebay.com and make sure you log into your eBay account. If you don't have an account already, just click on register here in the top left corner and enter your information and create a new account. After you do that, click on the cell to be directed to the Sellers Hub. Here, we're gonna go to business policies, click on it under selling preferences. Now after you click on business policies, open or create your shipping policy. Just click on create a policy and choose shipping. Now the second step is to enable international shipping. Now after you enter the policy's name, the description, the shipping method, the costs, type, etc., go and scroll all the way down to international shipping here and choose either eBay's international shipping, which is the one that eBay handles customs tracking and delivery, or manual international shipping, which is the one where you select the countries and rates. Example, click here. You can add the cost type that varies here by location. You can add with the additional location, which is whether to ship it worldwide or to choose a destination, and you can choose the rate table. You can also add a local pickup here, and you can add the handling time, which varies from 1 business day to 40 business days. Now the third step, after you select the location you want to ship, choose a specific region like Europe, Asia, North America, or individual countries, and avoid locations you can't serve reliably. Now after you set the handling time and shipping services, click on Save here and apply to the listing. You can do that by assigning it to your new or existing product. And that's it. Now buyers from all over the world can order from your eBay store. The global shipping program is best for beginners because eBay handles most of the work. And use calculated shipping to avoid undercharging and make sure product descriptions are clear and in English. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.